So I just finished embroidering this, and if you can see, they have white specks coming through the jacket. The jacket is made of some type of polyester with a backing on it, like let me show you, like a lined backing, plastic backing, and the stabilizer is showing through the embroidery. So who's going to know if I fix it? Who's gonna know? Nobody's gonna know. And these fabric markers are permanent. They are a permanent fix. So even if they wash it, they won't see it. Okay? Just FYI, just in case you run across this issue. And I probably should have used a black stabilizer, being that the jacket was black, but I didn't. And you live and you learn. But if you have mistakes, you can just fix them. So what you do is you let this dry and then you reapply it, okay? So let it dry and reapply it. I'm going to do the blue one so we can see what that looks like. So we'll do this C because you can see it really, really well, okay? So let's see. Get you a fabric marker of all colors just in case you need them, okay? Just get the variety pack. I do kind of stay within the primary colors. However, one day you may need pink or purple or something like that. So make sure that you get a variety pack. This is for all my embroiderers out there who make a mistake. Don't throw your project away. Just fix it. Just fix it. Okay, bye. So I just wanted to show you the finish. They will never know. Period. So it's a rain jacket that came from Walmart. They got it on clearance. But look at that. Look at that. No one's going to know. Don't throw your projects away.